The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of France, there lived a beautiful and ambitious young woman named Matilda. She was a dreamer, always longing for a life of luxury and elegance, far beyond the humble means of her family.
I'm so bored with our life. I was meant for luxury. Well, go to the Ministry of Education ball. You'll shine. But I have nothing to wear. Well, ask Madame Forrester for help. Try this diamond necklace. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm the queen of the night. You are, my dear. Oh, the necklace is gone. Well, replace it. Oh, Matilda, you look different. I have a hard life. Oh, I'm sorry. You know, I lost your necklace. Oh, that the old thing? It wasn't just fake.